Hey everybody. Hey, I have an abundance of duck eggs right now, so I thought, why don't I try smoking some? So I got myself a dozen hard duck eggs. You can hard boil them or bake them. I actually used a steaming basket and I steamed them for 14 minutes. I did that yesterday and they turned out really nice. So I got my Traeger grill set at the lowest temperature, which is 165. Because you don't really want to cook these anymore. You just want to give them the smokiness. Put some on the top rack and I'll put some down on the grill grate just to see if there's any difference in it. Okay, so I'll let these go on here for about 30 minutes and we'll check them. Okay, so I just rolled these over once at about 20 minutes, and now we're at 30 minutes. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pull one off and try it and see what the taste is like in case I want to let them go a little longer. So you can see the egg white turned a little bit yellow on the outside. There's not really much of a smoke ring yet. I don't taste a whole lot of smoke, just a little bit. So if you don't like a lot of smoke flavor, this might be just about right. I'm gonna let them go another maybe 15 minutes. Otherwise, though, I mean, these duck eggs, I never had a hard-boiled duck egg, and that's pretty darn good. So I'm happy so far. Okay, so we're just over 45 minutes. And those are looking real nice. So I'm going to try one. Definitely a little bit more smoke flavor. I like them just like that. I'm going to take these off. I'm going to store them in a jar. These in the fridge, heat them up over the next week or so. One left, I guess I gotta eat it. Hey, thanks for watching. There'll be a playlist up here in this card for some more videos you might like, and down here in this card will be a video that YouTube thinks you might want to watch. So, thanks, see you in the next one.